See guys, without sugarcoating or without trying to twist it, YouTube is obviously the most paying social media platform you can ever get. Be it Instagram, be it TikTok, be it Facebook. Though I've not been paid on Facebook, neither have I been paid on Instagram. I don't even know if Instagram actually pays. But obviously YouTube is actually the best. And for you to be able to excel on YouTube, like as a content creator, like you want to do content, for you to be able to excel on YouTube, even outside YouTube, you have to do one particular thing. Like I literally became much more successful after discovering these two things. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the two most important things you need to be successful here on YouTube. So the number one thing, first thing first, is dedication. Yes, before I go to the main most important point, which is the number 2 point. So talking about dedication, it also applies in real life. Real life, for you to be able to achieve something in a shorter period of time, get better results, you have to dedicate yourself, you have to dedicate your time, you have to also dedicate your attention to it in order for it to favor you. So as a content creator or out there, or you are just an upcoming YouTuber, or you have it at the back of your mind that you want to start doing something on the internet, not just YouTube, this also applies to other media platforms like the Instagram, the TikTok, and the Facebook. You have to be dedicated. You have to bring in that diligence in what you are doing. You have to try your best to post consistently. I could remember back then when I decided to start uploading longer form videos. Yes, I could remember that I was dropping video here once in a while. Anytime I like, I'll just drop video. I can just be scrolling through YouTube here, and I'll see maybe somebody doing a content like mine. I'll just literally pick up my barrel and paper, copy everything script for script, word for word, and obviously I'll set up my camera. That video can even take me like 3 days to produce, because I'll shoot this first part today, tomorrow I'll shoot the second part. Like I was just roaming about YouTube. Ha, it was so funny. Like I don't know if you out there can relate. It takes me like 3 days to shoot a particular video. It sounds really crazy. Yeah. So I was doing that, and to me I was struggling. Like the struggle was so real. I wasn't even enjoying what I was doing. Yes, I know that I actually love to teach. Yes, I love to teach, and obviously when I teach, you will definitely understand it, you definitely learn it. I naturally have that gift. Yeah. So if I teach you something, there is no how you will learn it. I can come down to the least level to explain it to you. You definitely understand. So I was just roaming about YouTube, and it was not just working. But my life turned around, or should I say my channel turned around, after I discovered this number two thing, which I'm going to be sharing with you right now. And that number two thing is research. Guys, if you want to be successful on any media platform, you have to try your best to make sure you make research. Like this is one of my biggest secrets, and that has also helped me till today. I never paid for any editing class. I never paid to learn thumbnail. I never paid to know the strategies to grow here on YouTube. I never paid to know how to even create YouTube channel. Like I never paid for anything. That is every single thing I know on YouTube today all boils down to me being able to make research. Like guys, if I want to make a particular video, that video, before I even make the video, even if the video is about me unboxing a particular thing in my house that I bought, I'll first of all go and make research. And making that research, I'll try to find out the kind of videos that performed well out of the ones posted on YouTube. Because one thing you need to understand is that any single video that you're planning to create and post it here, people have posted it. They might just maybe use a different title, or twist it in one way or the other, but people have posted it here. So for me, that is basically what I do. So that is one side. Now when it comes to editing, see guys, every single thing you need to know to excel here on YouTube, do you know that if you take your time to make a research, you actually get your answer? There was one particular time that I was having a conversation with my in-law, and he was like, Joy, how do you manage to know all these things? Because back then I had 5 students that signed up at once. So back then I was literally taking classes in the morning, by 12 p.m., and also in the afternoon and in the night. Like I even deprived my sleep. because of the amount of students I had back then. And I said to my in-law that, do you know that these things that I'm teaching these students, do you know that if they can actually come down and search for it online, they will see the videos, they will see every single thing. And he was like, that is simply how the way the world is. Some people don't just understand this particular logic, and some people don't just even have the strength to even go to start making research and the rest of them. So what am I trying to say, or what is my point on this particular thing? Researching has actually helped me a lot. Every single thing I know on YouTube today all boils down to research. Now, I might have a particular problem, like maybe I just create a new channel and I want to like fix in a banner. You know, obviously I don't know how to do it. Let's just say, for instance, what I need to do now is I can either go to Google, I can either come to YouTube here and search for how to create thumbnail. You know, obviously YouTube is going to bring a lot of videos. Yes, because a lot of people have made video relating to that topic. Now, what I need to do now is to watch that video. If I don't understand it, I'll feel free to switch on to another video. I will also watch it. If I still don't understand this, I'll feel free to keep switching till I'm able to get that particular thing that I'm looking for. Guys, that is how I excel there. I could remember the first time I created banner for lifestyle making use of Canva. I was scrolling. It took me like 4 days. But after that 4 days, I became a pro. And when I made my first banner, I shared it to one YouTuber, a YouTube friend back then. And she was like, which class did you pay for to learn this Canva thumbnail? This Canva thumbnail. I told him I just watched a video and I followed the process. I was like, girl, you're too good. So any single thing you want to do on this YouTube, like any single thing you want to do on your channel, like maybe you are experiencing low view and you're confused, or maybe there is a particular setting you watch on or maybe a particular creator video and you want to fix that kind of setting, just go to YouTube search bar, you will see it, or go to Google, you will get your answer. Like, being able to make research is going to make you stand out. Check out for any successful YouTuber you know today, even the ones that will just come and sit in their parlor without even mic or without clean environment and maybe just be talking random thing. Their number one secret is being able to make research. And guys, believe me when I say, just take it from me, if you are able to start dedicating yourself, your time to making research, you're going to excel well. Too bad my notebook is not here. Like, my first notebook is not here and the second one self is not here. I would have showed you guys. Maybe while editing this video, I might place it on the screen for you guys to see that I literally have two big notebooks that are mainly for YouTube. Like, sometimes in the night I don't sleep. Obviously now I'm sharing you my secrets, my top strategy. Sometimes in the night I deprive myself sleep in order for me to make research. What are the kind of researches I'm making? Research on my next video to upload, on a particular setting that I'm to fix on my channel for it to start getting views. Research on what people are actually searching for. Research on how can I be one of the best YouTuber. How can I stand out? Guys, like, you just have to do it. You just have to constantly make research. Yes, and if you are even feeling like okay, maybe you've started making that research and you're not seeing the results yet. When I started initially, I wasn't seeing the results. Honestly speaking, I wasn't seeing the results. But as time goes on, YouTube is just like building. It's just like you building something that you know that this thing is going to yield fruits after. Just like when you pick a corn and you plant it. Obviously, you know that this corn is going to grow and yield fruits. So for that corn to grow and not yield fruits, it simply means that maybe the foundation is shaking, or maybe when the things started coming out, you stopped doing some things that you were doing on that particular corn. To me, yeah, that is how YouTube is, honestly speaking. So you just have to try your best to make research, and you're going to see yourself excelling in a way that, guys, if you don't know, YouTube is actually paying you. Like, YouTube is actually paying. Imagine you just sitting in your house at the comfort of your house, like the way I am sitting right now with just my mic and my phone, and every single day not less than $30 is entering my account. Like, presently in the situation of Nigeria now, we all know that For somebody to earn over $30, or let's just say less than $30 in a day, is a big something. Dollar currently is 1,530 multiplied by 30. So guys, this is what I basically earn every single day I drop video on YouTube here, and you are playing out there. So just make sure you make use of this particular strategy that I just shared with you in today's video, and you're going to excel well. So this video is already getting too much. As usual, I don't want to bore you. That is why I'll have to be ending this video now. And the next video that I'm going to be dropping on this channel, hey God, is going to be a game changer, because I'm going to be exposing a whole lot, and I'll also be sharing with you some of my revenue and how I was even able to build my channel to be earning that amount. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful in any way, please do well to subscribe to my channel, connect with me, because on this channel I'm going to be literally sharing a lot of things that you need to excel successfully, not just as a content creator but also as a YouTuber. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Drop me your comments and see you in my next video.